Hey guys, I hope you all doing all right. It's overcast. It's like a fall day. It's gonna go down to freezing tonight. Got a freeze warning, so these guys have been open up for about 4 or 5 days, and you can see they're doing just fine. That's our kale. Got cilantro. Got more cilantro up there. See, as these grow, we can come and keep picking off of it. You know, if you need a little bit, just come and get it. And of course, we've got our pak choi and that growing down there. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different downspouts going. About 60 different holes. Everything's doing fine, so we're going down to freezing tonight. I left this just hanging here. It's just stapled at the top. I'm just going to flip it down around the top of it, front of it, kind of keep the frost off of it. It's open in the back, and little neighborhood stray heard me. So let me get that going real quick. That's just covered up. Now if there's not going to be any wind, we can just leave it just like that. I've done that before, just drop it over, but we might get a little bit of wind tonight. You can see it's already starting to blow, so I'm just going to go ahead and staple it. See, I just did that before, and I just pull them out. It's just a little $5 sheet. So I'll put a couple staples there just to hold it down for the night. We'll see how it goes. All right, y'all take care. Keep on growing. Kitty's helping me with it. Hey guys, just cleaning up. We're teaching a class how to grow microgreens just like we do over here, so it's pretty cool. I'm really excited about it because these are kids, middle school kids that are going to be learning how to grow their own food. And that all goes part into this channel about us saying that we're not going to feed the world, we're going to teach the world how to feed itself. It's just like give a man a fish, he eats for a day, teach him to fish, and he eats for life. And that's what we're going to be doing. And I think that this coming year, 2021, I want to go really hard into that and just try to show as many people as possible it. It just blows my mind the last couple of years how many times you guys have shared it out to everyone and shared it with your friends. And I get all these messages back from people that I don't even know because somebody shared it with somebody and somebody, and then it makes it back around to me. And it just blows my mind how far reaching we can get, that we've got people all over the world that are like doing this. So we're going to teach the world how to take care of themselves, empower themselves. Like we said, only a couple of basic necessities that you really need in life: air to breathe, water to drink, and food to eat. And sadly, a lot of us, especially here in the United States, we depend on someone else for that food. So you empower yourself by learning how to grow some of your own. Whether you do it or not, it's always great to have that knowledge in the back of your head so that if you need to do it, you'll be able to. And that's why we try to show everyone how to do it as easy and as inexpensive as possible, so that when push comes to shove, everybody's got that knowledge if they need it. So I'm really excited teaching a class. I'm going to be sharing it with you guys too. Lots more to come. More sweet potatoes. So I was doing more of the same, teaching people new ways to grow. It's cool. You guys keep doing what you're doing. We're going to go take a look outside at the plants. We had a little freeze last night. We're going to see how they're doing. All right, guys. Beautiful day. It's like in the 40s right now. They've been there all night. Got down to freezing. We're going to uncover them, see how they did. There we go. It says cilantro growing up there. I kind of squashed a couple with the sheep. I threw it back. Cilantro. Look at our kale. And look at the pak choi going. So these guys got down to freezing. They're doing okay. They're all thawed out. They didn't actually freeze because we had that over. Just had a little frost. You know, it was just 31, I think was the lowest it got. So, you know, not a hard freeze, just a little bit of frost. They did all right. And it's hard to believe for some people, but all of this here, I haven't done anything to it, with the exception of covering it up, you know, with that sheet when we went down to freezing. But as far as taking care of them, filling them up, right now, all right, kitty, they're still full. I can feel them. Yep. So not gonna mess with any nutrients or anything. So these guys will still, they've been up here a couple weeks, they can go another couple of weeks. No care. Sorry about that. The cat keeps hitting my tripod. So just about anybody can do that. So I hope you guys are doing all right. Like I said, a lot of us had a tough time last year. Let's hope that this year's a little bit better. Let's start it off on the right foot. Like we said, we're starting off teaching a bunch of kids how to grow. You guys share it with your friends, teach everyone. Before we know it, everyone around the world will be able to feed themselves, right? Wouldn't that be great? Alrighty, I love you guys. Take care. We'll see you. I'm going to be bringing my wife on to do the home and garden stuff in a little while, so take care. We'll catch you later.